In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app in Lovable. Start by opening your browser and searching for Lovable Dev. In the results, look for the official Lovable website and click through to open it. This ensures you're in the right place to use the tools we'll cover today. Once you're on the site, click Sign In. Use your existing account to get to the dashboard. Signing in first helps Lovable save your work and connect any services you choose later. On the Lovable home screen, you'll see a central chat box. This is where you describe the app you want to build in plain English. Be clear and outcome-focused. For example, you might describe the main goal, the audience, and key screens or actions you care about. The more precise your description, the better the initial draft of your app will be. When your description is ready, click Create. Lovable's AI will start building your user interface and wiring up basic logic in real time. You'll see components appear, styles applied, and initial data flows set up right before your eyes. Give it a moment to finish so you have a complete starting point. If you prefer to design from an example, click the plus icon near the input area, choose Attach, and upload a screenshot. This is handy if you have a wireframe or a UI you want to mirror. After you attach the image, add a brief prompt that explains what you want to build, using that screenshot as guidance to start the project. Once the initial app is generated, use the sidebar Chat to make changes. Think of it as your ongoing design and development conversation. Ask for adjustments, new features, or style tweaks, and Lovable will update the app accordingly. You can say things like, add a button to export to PDF, or change the primary color to emerald green. Specific, concise requests work best. If something isn't quite right, follow up with another message to refine it further. You can toggle between the Preview tab to test the app and the Code tab to see the underlying files. You'll typically find React components, Tailwind styling, and Supabase setup notes there. Preview helps you validate behavior. Code helps you understand structure. To add real users and data storage, click the Supabase icon in the bottom corner to connect a database. This enables authentication and persistent data so your app can support real-world use. When you're happy with the result, click the Share or Publish button in the top right to distribute your app. And that's how you create an app in Lovable from idea to shareable build.